So we were in Clovis, California. We're finishing up a little remodel project for a homeowner. Previously, we had put in a rough-in valve here, a Moen posi temp valve, and then of course we had our tile guy come out and did a real nice job on the tile, and then the homeowner set the trim. So shower was completed. We didn't have a picture of that before because the trim wasn't on, the tile wasn't in. We gave you a picture of just rough drywall. So anyways, that's all done over there. This side we put in a faucet, and that was provided by the homeowner. Trim over here was provided by the homeowner as well. We just gave the rough-in valve. So they provided us a Kohler, so Kohler, great product, shouldn't have any trouble with that. And of course, you know, this pivots back and forth and pulls in and out and whatnot. Anyway, so we got this guy in here, got down below and looked, and they had the old corrugated chrome, or it's not a stainless steel, but it's like a chrome tubing, corrugated, all one piece, shut-off valve and supply line on the hot and the cold, and those had to go. So I think we may have briefly mentioned it, but we didn't put it in the proposal. But you know, whenever I say something, I like to follow through with what I've said. So we replaced those shut-off valves free of charge, hot and cold. And if, of course, you know, if the understanding was that, yeah, we were going to replace those, then not free of charge is simply part of the proposal. I didn't write it in, but I may have spoken it, and in my spoken word, you know, I like to stand by it. So you can see it's back there, quarter turn. Those are brass craft, quarter turn shut-off valves, iron pipe, so 1/2 inch IPS by 3/8 OD, and then brand new braided stainless steel supply lines, 3/8 by 1/2 inch by 20 on the hot and the cold side. Sorry about the lighting, can't get too good of a picture in there because this is a deep laundry sink, about 18-20 inches deep, so it's hard to get a good picture. Anyway, so we got it all put together and noticed that there was water leaking out of the drain assembly up here, and it's as old as the home, 25-30 years. And so we told the homeowner about it, and they just said, go ahead and put us a new drain in there. So we brought a little junior basket strainer with us, and so we just popped that in there, new petty, and then of course new nut and everything. Tail pieces there is that part right there, that's yours, that nut's yours. Put the trap back together and it was leaking, and of course I don't like Schedule 40P traps. Always have trouble with them once they've gone in. First time take them apart, they start leaking. So we took it back apart, doped it up real good, tightened it up, no leaking. So what I would do is monitor this area. You can see back here, you know, once it dries out, it should stay dry. Any water from the water lines, from the sewer line, anything like that, give us a holler. We'll come back out and take care of it right away. Outside of that, this installation is done.